Hello everyone, Joe Follico again for Insignia Futures and Options. In this video, I'll explain how to understand commodity futures pricing and how it differs from stock prices, so don't go away. One area of trading commodity futures that can be confusing is how futures and futures options are priced. This is one of the key differences between stock trading and futures trading. In trading stocks, the price quoted is exactly what one share of that stock would cost to buy or sell in dollars and cents. This is not the case in futures pricing, which could lead to confusion for investors new to futures trading. When analyzing futures prices, you are actually seeing the price of a commodity futures contract, which represents a certain quantity of that commodity. Let's look at a few examples. For a futures contract like gold, the pricing is very straightforward. A price quote of 1751.4 means that gold futures are trading at $1,751.40 per ounce per contract. If gold futures prices were to increase by $2 per ounce and went from 1751.4 to 1753.4, that would be a $200 gain, excluding commissions and trade fees. One gold futures contract represents 100 ounces of gold. As you can see in this quote, the final zero is dropped from the price quote as gold futures prices move in 10-cent price increments. Other futures markets, such as the E-mini S&P 500, are quite different. As with all futures contracts, the price quoted needs to be multiplied by that futures contract's point value to determine its dollars and cents value. Although this may sound confusing, it's actually quite simple once you know what the multiplier is. Here's an example. The current price quote for an E-mini S&P 500 futures contract is 4,008.75. It's up 50.25 points, which is a big move for this market. If you were fortunate enough to have bought one futures contract at the previous day's closing price of $39.58.50, you would be up $2,512.50 on this trade. That's because a full point value is worth $50 in this contract. In this example, we multiply $50 by the number of points the E-mini S&P 500 futures contract moved up from the previous close, 50.25 in this case. This calculates the dollar value of the price change. I hope you're finding this video informative. Please take a moment to like and subscribe to our futures trading channel if you'd like to see more videos like these. Another point to remember is that each futures contract has a minimum price movement. This is known as a tick. The E-mini S&P 500 futures contract has a minimum price movement of 0.25 points. This equates to $12.50. If you were to go short one E-mini S&P 500 futures contract at 4,008.75 and the market moved down to 4,008.25, you would be up $25 or 0.50 points on your trade. Conversely, if you were to go short one futures contract at 4,008.75 and the E-mini S&P 500 market then moved up to 4010.25, you would have a loss of 1.50 points or $75. Every futures contract has its own point and tick value. Many futures market sectors will often share point values and tick sizes, such as the futures grain sector. Three of the major grain futures contracts, corn, soybean, and wheat, all share a quarter-cent minimum tick size, which equates to $12.50. A full 1 cent move in any of these three grain markets is equal to $50. All three of these futures markets have a contract size equal to 5,000 bushels of the corresponding commodity. If soybean futures prices were to go up 11 cents in one day, this price move would equal $550. You also would use the same formula to calculate the full value of one futures contract. For example, the current futures price for a March corn futures contract is $6.60 and a quarter. This equates to 660 and a quarter cents and means that the current value of the March corn futures contract is $33,012.50 or $6.66 and a quarter cents per 5,000 bushels. Again, this information may seem a bit confusing, but once you actually start trading futures, it will become quite easy to understand. Our website has a commodity futures education section that can provide further details on the information provided in this video. I'll place a link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or feel free to contact me directly. I'll be happy to help.